homie's RX-7. I'm about to do a little video with it today. Oh my God, big ass airplane. Look at this. Anyways, what's up guys? They watch another video. Literally starting this video exactly where I ended last video, right here at the meet. We're actually doing a whole video with the homie's RX-7. This thing is so sick. Uh-oh. Might go for a little ride along, and then I think he doesn't let me drive it.
Yep.
That shit's small.
I was just saying, dude, it's tiny, dude. It's tiny.
I did not realize how small they are.
I'm happy you said that, dude, because I put it on the internet. I made like 3 things I hate about the FD, and I put that it's tiny.
It's too small?
Everyone's like lynching me.
Yeah, this thing is small,
dude, it's
bro.
tiny, dude. I'm telling you.
I've never been in an RX-7, guys. It's crazy. Damn, it's really small.
Oh, dude, hold on. I gotta take the headlight cover off. Not they'll fly out. Trust me.
Oh! Man, this is homie Paulie. You guys have probably seen him on YouTube or TikTok. I'll leave his link down below. He's making a whole vlog too, but he just picked up his RX-7. This thing is super clean. A little project car. Takes off the headlight cover.
Dude, they'll fly off, bro. Alright, here we go.
Bro, it shot a flame earlier.
Did it?
Yeah, I swear.
Alright, we're gonna make it shoot some flame.
Sheesh. Oh my God, bro. Bro. This shit sounds crazy. Bro. I look, you got scared for a little bit.
Bro, don't worry, I am a professional.
We've been in plenty of Formula Drift cars.
I've been in enough cars to know how to handle this.
No, that thing is sick,
dude. This thing is nuts, though.
Bro, it sounds so good. The rotary? Damn.
Dude, it's so bad for me to own this car because I just want to act up in it.
No, this is definitely a car that I want to get one day, guys.
Dude, I'm telling you, it's so worth it.
Yeah, I shot a huge flame earlier. We'll see if we can catch the flames right now, but... Bro, it sounds sick. Damn. That shit's badass. Yeah, that shit's probably so fun to drive on.
Dude, it's so sick, man. I love this car so much. I love this car more than anything.
You drive it a lot or no?
Dude, I've started dailing it a little bit more now because I was kind of scared before since it was my first time like owning the car and like I didn't know what was really going on with it.
Bro, this thing is sick.
I was just like, man, yo, but dude, this thing is so sick. And the whole tech ECU,
yeah, like, that's hard. The screen.
It tells you everything. Like, it'll tell you like, yo, bro, like you're revving it like low key chill, you know. But hold on, we're gonna let Nick get inside of it.
Oh my God, I'm scared. I'm not gonna push it like that,
nah, bro. You don't gotta push it, man. I want you to get in there.
I'm cruising it. How do I get out of here? I don't know how to get out.
So yeah, this one right here. I think you locked the door.
Oh, I don't know any of these, bro. There's too many buttons. I got it. Bro, this thing is crazy.
Dude, we're gonna let Nick drive it. I want you to experience.
I'm scared, bro. We're gonna drive the RX-7 now, guys. Oh, bro, I can't believe how small they are.
Dude, it's tiny. Just remember, the only thing I was telling you about, it's first, second, third, fourth. So just, I mean, I know you're not gonna go super crazy, but just.
I've only driven right-hand drive one time, bro. It was R32.
You're gonna feel it. Dude, honestly, it feels so weird being in the passenger side. I've never been in the passenger side. Yeah, it feels really weird. It feels weird being in this side, bro. Let me see, guys. Bro, it's so small, dude. Yeah, this is the first time ever driving an RX-7, guys. Wish me luck. You ready? I'm not ready. I'm scared, bro. Doesn't it feel a little weird taking off? Just give it gas, or else it will die. Yeah!
We didn't stop? Bro,
dude, look at you're way on the left side.
Yeah, what the heck?
Dude, it happens.
Right hand drive so good. It'll be weird to get used to. Like that?
You're gonna kill him.
It is very weird driving right hand drive.
It's super torquey though, isn't it?
No, this thing is sick. It sounds so sick. I'm scared of shit, bro.
Dude, don't be scared. No, you got it.
That ass.
Dude, it's so sick.
Well, it's so crazy driving right here, guys.
Dude, it feels sick, dude. I'm telling you, like, I won't ever get over it. Like, dude, this is so sick.
Second?
You could gauge it off of this. So with rotaries, they love like high revs. So you can actually put into first gear and then like drive it. Like it'll let you know. So just give it gas. Don't be scared. Like this will let you know when it turns. Like it'll let you know. Like yeah, right there.
This is sick.
Dude.
Definitely one of the sickest cars I ever driven, bro. That's badass.
The crowd's going insane. Turbo's nuts too. It sounds so crazy.
It's like perfect. Paul said it's like falling apart.
I was gonna say, dude,
bro,
look
I
at
think
this.
It's perfect, bro.
This car's falling apart.
Am I good? Bro, it's so weird driving this.
Yeah,
side.
dude, you're good.
On this side. I did pretty good though.
Dude, you did good. You did really
I'm
good.
surprised.
I'm telling you, it's just like when you first start driving, your head's like so used to being on the left side. Yeah. Yeah, literally.
Yeah, shit, badass. Oh my god. Bro, it's so sick. Thank you for letting me guys.
Dude, of course, dude.
I'll pull up right here so you can.
Yeah, you can just pull up behind the Mustang, so I'm about to take off.
Definitely one of the sickest cars I've ever driven, bro. 100%.
Hey!
It's so sick. Thank you, Paul.
Dude,
that was
of
hard.
course.
That was so fun. Did it fall out?
A built-ass project car?
Well, that was sick, dude.
Nick's first time.
Bro, these cars are so small. Try to get in that thing.
Hell nah. I'll drive that shit from the outside.
Bro, that was fun though. That's crazy.
That thing was
freaking fun to drive. Shout out to Paulie. He has other sick cars to drive too. You have a 350, no? 370.
Yeah, I have a 370, 350, the RSX, the FD 240, and I have one in Japan. I just haven't told anyone.
Oh
what it is.
yeah, I can't tell you
I have
guys.
something else over there.
When are you going back to Japan?
Dude, January.
I'm gonna go with
I want to
you.
go to Tokyo Auto Salon, dude.
I'll go with you, bro. I swear to God.
I have enough points, but I'm gonna say like around October, November. Let's buy tickets. They're super cheap
Bro, I'm
in
doing it.
January, and we'll just stay in Tokyo. We'll go to Daikoku.
Oh, that'd be sick.
Fucking
One
sick.
of the other homies was actually just talking about that yesterday.
If you guys want to go, bro,
I'm down.
100% down.
Who wants to see some Japan
Dude,
vlogs,
some
bro?
Japan vlogs, bro. Tell Nick right now. Go, bro. Go blow Nick's comments and tell him to go to Japan.
I gotta go get my passport, bro.
You don't have a passport?
My shit expired. Thank you, Paulie. Drive safe.
Yes, sir. Hopefully, you see a little bit of flame action.
Bro, I already wanted an RX-7. Now you convinced me more, bro. That shit is sick. God damn. Bro. See, I didn't drive it like that. That was crazy. Probably just left you on the side of the road. That was sick. Shout out to Paulie for letting me drive that. Go check out his video. I'll leave a link down below. But shout out to Paulie. That was sick. We've been wanting to film more videos and content lately, but we just haven't had the time. But we live super close, so we'll probably do some more videos in the future. Maybe let him drive the GTR. Not sure he's ever driven one or not, but... And also, he wants to go to Japan, and I'm really down for that, guys. I know the content out there will be crazy, and I know you guys will enjoy those vlogs. He told me like November or something he's gonna buy his ticket, so I'm gonna buy my ticket too, guys. I'm doing it. I'm going to Japan this year, or in January, I think he said. There's a big like car show out there, I think in January, so that's where he wants to go. Stay tuned for the Japan vlogs. You saw the RX-7?
Yes, that shit sounded crazy.
Bro, you saw when he took off right here?
Yes.
That shit was sick as fuck.
Is it fast?
It's pretty fast. Bro, you would not fit in that car, 100%.
Small, huh?
I did not realize how small those cars are. I've never sat in an RX-7 in my life. Bro, it's not even comfortable at all. Like, I was literally like this, just crunched up. And I'm not that tall, brother.
They're gonna hit Peter's car.
I hope they hit Peter's car.
I don't think I'll fit in either. Damn!
You won't fit, brother.
I know. These yours were flying, bro.
Do you see me driving it?
It came this way, right? And you
Yeah.
shifted, like right here, kind of not really
I was
going
shifting
that
like
fast.
grandma shifts,
You
huh?
pussy.
My shifts compared to his, he was freaking revving, redlining and all that kind of stuff.
It was going through. I mean, yes, passed by going like at least one something.
Oh, when he drove.
Yeah, when
we
we drove this
flew
way, I
by.
was like, God damn.
That was sick though. Wait, that was fun. I did not expect to drive an RX-7 today.
No, that's crazy.
Subscribe to the channel if you guys aren't already. Smash the like button for me. Go subscribe to Paulie too. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
What? You already ended it?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams